Imagine getting paid every single month without lifting a finger. Just money quietly showing up in your account because of a smart investment decision you made earlier. This sounds interesting, right? Yes, I know. Don't worry, I am going to share all the tips with you in this video. Today, I will be breaking down four stocks, a mixture of stocks, ETFs, and REITs that pays you every month just like salary. We'll talk about how they work, what they are, how much you can make from it, and how to invest in them with just your phone. If you're serious about building passive income and escaping the paycheck to paycheck life, then keep watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Doinsola Toye. I am a certified chartered accountant, and on this channel I share tips on how to make, manage and multiply money. If you're new here, thank you for watching, but don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always showing up. I have introduced what I call membership into this beautiful community. And the aim of this membership is to help people who are still clueless or confused about investing. You've watched all the videos there is about investing, but you still don't know exactly how to start. With this membership, I will ensure that you make your very first investment in this year 2025 before 2025 ends, and to ensure that you invest consistently. I will hold your hand through it all. If this sounds like something you are interested in, click to join the membership today. So now, let's dive into the subject matter for today. Many people only know how to earn monthly by working monthly. But what if your investment pays you every month? That's what dividend stocks do. And some even pay you every single month like clockwork. Today's four picks are Realty Income. It's called a monthly dividend company. Number two is Main Street, a business lender that pays consistently. And number three is SPHD. This is an ETF from top dividend stocks. And number five is Stag Industrial, a real estate investment that brings in cash flow every month. Let's start with the first one, the Realty Income, with the ticker symbol O. Is known as monthly dividend company, and this is not marketing hype. This is because they have paid dividend every month for 658 straight months. That's about 54 years of consistently paying income every month. They invest in real estate properties that pays rent every month. It's a REIT, real estate investment trust, and REITs, they are mandated to pay 90% of their profit out as dividends to shareholders. The annual yield for Realty Income is about 5.6%. Their current share price is about $58. But don't worry, even if you don't have $58, it does not stop you from investing in these REITs. With your $1, $2, $5, you can start investing. So number one is Realty Real Estate Investment Trust. Number two is Main Street Capital. This is a business development company. What does that mean? This means that they lend money to mid and small size companies and they earn interest from it. And this interest is what they share with you as dividend every month. But the sweet part with Main Street is that they give you bonus dividend on top of the regular monthly payout, right? The annual yield is about 6%, 7% in bonuses. Their current share price is about $66. Again, even if you don't have $66, it does not stop you from investing in Main Street Capital. With your $1, $5, $10, you can start investing. So if you want a steady income with occasional bonus here and there, then Main is a strong option for you to consider. Number three is SPHD, and this stands for Invesco S&P 500 High Dividend low volatility ETF. That's a big name, right? But here is what it does. It puts 50 most stable high dividend company from S&P 500 into an ETF. So you get diversification, you get monthly income, and less risk than if you are investing in an individual company. And that's the beauty of ETFs, right? ETFs is like a basket of stock. In that basket, you can have 1,000 companies. So even if there is low performance in one, the high performer in other one to augment the performance, right? It's like a basket of fruit where you have apple, banana, orange, and all that. So even if apple goes bad, you still have the other fruit in that basket that will still give you nourishment, right? So that's what ETFs are, a basket of stuff. So this SPHD takes 50 most stable high dividend company from S&P 500 and puts them into an ETF. So you get diversification, you get monthly income, and less risk than if you're investing in one company. The annual yield is about 4%. Their current share price is about $39.49. Again, even if you don't have this, with your $1, $2, $5, you can start investing in ETF, right? And this is perfect for beginners. You don't need to stress about looking for individual companies to invest in. SPHD handles this for you and then they pay you monthly on top of that. And the last one on this particular list is Stag Industrial. This is a real estate investment trust company that focuses on warehouses and industrial buildings. Think of it like owning a part of Amazon logistic chain and then you get paid monthly for it. The annual yield is about 4% and the share price is about $35. Again, even if you don't have $35, it does not stop you from investing. You see, all of these stocks, ETFs, and REITs are less than $100. And you don't need $35, $66, $58 before you start investing. With your $1 this month, $2 next month, $10 the next month, before you know it, you can have 1 unit of this or even 1,000 units of the shares in these different companies for the monthly dividend, right? With your $1, $2, $5 here, $10 here, you can start investing in this company. Now you are thinking, this sounds good, this sounds great. Okay, so how do I get started? How can I get access to all of these investments? See, with apps like Bamboo, Chaka, Trove, you can get access to all of this stuff. So if you don't have any of these apps on your phone, go to the Play Store or App Store, download the app, register your details. They will ask for your BVN, fund your wallet with Naira or USD, and then search for this stock to invest in. I have a video where I have a clear breakdown of how to start investing in stocks with as little as $1 or 1,000 Naira. You don't need millions. You don't need to be rich to start. You just need to be consistent. The monthly dividend might be small, but over time they become something big that can pay your bills or even replace your salary. If you've learned something new, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to drop a comment. And don't forget to subscribe and follow for more investing tips that will take your finances to the next level. And don't forget to join the membership if you want to make your very first investment before the end of 2025. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these stocks or ETFs or REITs are you going to start investing in? Or which of them do you currently earn passive income from already? Drop it in the comment section or questions. I will attend to them and I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.